Hello Clarinet friends, we're going to be going over the song Rising Rhythms today. When you click on 10.7 video reply Rising Rhythms, it'll drop you in on this page. You want to make sure you click on the Clarinet sheet music right here. It'll pull it up on the side. Make sure you resize it so you can see it real good. All right, so the first thing we got to do is we got to talk about the counting of it. So when we go to count band stuff from here on out, we're going to be using the numbers. Let's try counting this together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest. 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest, rest, rest. Good. If you did that perfectly with me, keep going with the video. If you did not, stop and go do it again until you get it right over and over again. Just copy me. That's the goal here in these videos. Copy me. All right, so we've got that down. We're not going to talk about the letter names in this. So do you remember the 3 letter names we've been playing in band so far? We've been playing E's. What are these? F's. Good. How about these? G's. And then we go back here to the first one, E's, right. And how do we finger those? Let's go through that real quick. So E is going to be thumb 1. Ooh, there we go. Thumb and 1. And then how about the F's? Remember how to do that? Lift the index and just keep the thumb on the back circle. Correct. And then when you get to the G's, we get to play with no hands, right? No fingers on anything. And then the last note is the E's, so you'll have to make sure you drop both fingers down to get to the E at the end. Okay. Now let's go through the song and get our air together. We've been articulating now. We've been working through articulations. If we don't articulate this, you will not get the grade. I'll have to resubmit it to you. So make sure you go through this first. I suggest, highly suggest, that you as a player go through this on tonguing. So thumb 1 for the E's. Just he, D, do airplay. And make sure you're flicking that tongue against the reed right here like we taught you. Here's the F. Make sure you hear that sound. Rest, rest. If you can do that in time, if you're having success, then great. Go ahead and move on to the next part of the video. But if you need to practice, y'all, practice. Spend some time in these measures. Get those transitions between F and G right. Get the transition from G to E right. It's not a problem. It's normal, folks. Like, not everybody does this perfectly the first time, like Mr. Butler. I had to work a lot to do this. So you should as well. Let's go from the beginning and hear how it sounds. If you did not get that airing right, stop and practice. Don't go on with the video. But once you're ready, come on. Here's the whole song from beginning to end. 1, 2, ready. Notice how I'm playing with tongue. And it's one stream of air. I'm not going. That's not the goal here. We're not playing staccato E's. We're playing normal E's. We're going to connect them with our airstream. It's going to feel like you're blowing the whole time, just interrupting that air to hit that tongue. Practice that. Make sure it's great. Record it for me in the reply, and I'll give you some feedback. Great job to all of you who are doing this so far. I'm really proud of you. This is not easy stuff, but once we get through kind of these first couple songs with tonguing and playing more frequently, you're going to be on your way to it's going to be so easy. So fun. You guys are great. You're awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.